Hi friends, this is Bhavesh and I am back with my another video. Yes my friends, today's topic is a slightly emotional topic. Yes my friends, today we'll be talking about the emotional topic. The name of the topic is what life has taught us recently. Yes my friends, what life has taught us recently. In this, I'll be sharing some of my views regarding which help us to grow, which help us to know our potentiality. Yes my friends, what life taught us recently and how our life has changed. So let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you that anything is possible. Yes my friends, there was lot of myth. Yes, ki train can't be stopped, plane can't be stopped, you can't be sit at home for at least 60 days, and there were number of myths like a country can't be stopped. So last 60 days now we are aware that anything is possible. Yes my friends, anything be possible. In this I want to share you the examples like what we have learned recently. I want to tell you that what we have taught recently because of this corona or COVID-19. Yes my friends, so let's begin. Life is the greatest gift. Don't run towards materialistic things. Yes my friends, because of this corona, because of this COVID-19, theaters, malls, museums, circles, everything is closed. Resorts has been closed, water park has been closed, everything is closed. So what does it means? It means life is very precious. Yes my friends, life is very precious. Don't run for any kind of materialistic thing. Yes my friends, you know your home is the safest place for current situation. Yes my friends, though you should not go out of your house, your home is the safest place, I'll tell you. Because of that thing, the malls, theaters, everything is closed. The third thing I want to tell you that our real heroes are. Yes my friends, who are our real heroes? Our real heroes are the policemen, the doctors, the sweeper, everyone who is working under essential things. Yes my friends, they are our real heroes. Previously we all have that myth कि yes, Bollywood star is a real hero, or the cricketer who is playing there are real heroes. But this situation told us that who is our real heroes, and I am really proud of it that this situation brought us to realize it was an eye opener for the teenager who were under the false impression, who were under the false impression of entertainment. Now due to this current situation, they able to know कि actually what are they and who are the real heroes and who are just the entertainers. Point number 4, self realization. Yes my friends, in this situation we have so much of idle time. Yes my friends, we have so much of idle time due to which we can able to find out our strength, find out our weaknesses, we can learn, we can implement. All this situation has brought us the best in us. The person who want to grow can grow in this situation also. I recently started my YouTube channel, recently started my posting videos on other social sites. Because of this situation, I able to find out my potential, I able to find out my purpose and what things gives me satisfaction. These things help me to improve myself, this thing help me to improve my potential, this thing help me to improve my skills, and I'm really glad for it. Point number 5, this is the best, and I'll tell you the final thing. Most of you have 2000, 3000, 5000 social network friends. Yes my friends, you have Facebook friends, Instagram friends, this and that, everything you have. But do you know your family is the best? Your family is first. Yes my friends, you are safe with your family. If your parents are with you, your children are with you, your husband, your wife are with you, then you are the luckiest person on this earth, I'll tell you. Because here people are alone for their job, alone for their studies, or this or that, any other reasons. But if you are together with your family, then my dear friends, this is the strongest thing I'll tell you, and it is the best thing in your life. So you should always glad for the things you have, and you should always prepare for the best and the toughest situation in your life. I think this thing has brought us the best what we have in us, and I guess all this situation will bring the best what we have in us. So I like to conclude over here, and I like to thank you all of you for listening me, and I like to know if you have any feedback or if you have any comment, do let me know. It will help me to improve, it will help me to grow. So my dear friends, all the very best, stay blessed, stay happy.